you there?
Yes, I am there.
Oh, yeah, why? Okay, we can start, right? Group 2 now.
Yeah, group. We have
No,
we
you
have
can give
unmuted,
the,
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe intro.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. You can just click until the header come. You can just click. Next.
Uncle, I joined now, Uncle. My name is Yudhiti.
Okay,
Okay.
This is what we should do in round 3.
Wait. We
wait.
will ask you a question, and you have to tell us an answer as a group. Okay. So now it will be for group B. It is kind of it's a confused question. Okay. So you will have an answer if you think in another way, but it's not a straightforward answer. Okay. But it's a kind of logical answer which you need to tell. Okay. So
Can we tell both the answers?
yeah, you can tell, but whatever answer here is based on only
Uncle,
confused answer. Okay. Yeah, Chetan.
excuse me, Uncle.
Yeah, Chetan.
Rudru has joined. Rudru has
Okay,
joined.
fine, good. Yeah, okay. So it will be for group B. Okay. So
Group 2.
group B ready, right? Group B or group 2. Yeah. The first question for them.
Avinash, Manasuni, Pujit, Kunal, Vasudha, Yukta, Reti, Bubu.
Yeah.
Ready, Uncle?
Ready.
Okay.
So Yogi, first question. One click. Yeah. Enough. So how many times can you subtract 10 from 100?
One time.
Okay, I'll take it. I got the answer. It's only once because from 100, if you subtract 10, it will be 90. Again, you can't subtract from 100, right? So that's only once is the answer. Yeah, Avinash told, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So next question for group 3.
No, now it is group 3.
Or else we'll ask with group 2 only and we'll go two questions each time.
Okay,
Okay.
group.
Yeah, group 2. What has one eye but can't see anything at all?
Yeah, brother. Group
You'll
2.
have only 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. That's it.
Avinash, try
What
something.
is one eye but can? What has one eye but can't see anything?
But can't see anything at all.
Okay, done. So the answer is any tries?
No.
Okay.
No.
So the answer is needle. Okay. Okay. So now it will be group C, Yogi.
Yeah. So okay. Group 2, please mute yourself. Okay. Group 2
Okay, Uncle.
and group 3, Sarah, Meda, Iditi, ready. Are you ready?
Yes, Uncle. Yes, Uncle.
Okay. For you, Mickey.
Yeah. Next question. What starts with E and ends with E, but has only one letter in it?
What? E.
Okay. So
Okay.
we are not getting any answers from them. So the answer is Yogesh.
Yes.
You can show them. Envelope. So in the start you have E and in the end you have E. It's envelope, but envelope has only one letter in it, right? So that's the answer. So next question.
Cannot hear you now.
Hello.
Next question, same group. Group 3, Sarah, Meda, Uditi.
How can a girl go 25 days without sleep? Any guesses?
How can a girl go 25 days without sleep?
Yeah.
How can a girl go for 25 days?
Okay.
20 days without sleep.
Yogesh, you can show the answer.
Yeah.
Because she
She
sleeps
sleeps
at night. Because 25 days, right? days she can roam anywhere at any point, but
Oh.
when she comes home, she'll sleep at night. Okay. So now it's for Group D, Group 4.
Group 4, please mute ourselves,
Yeah.
brothers, and only Group 4. Saugantika, Chirag, Ayushi, Rogan, Harshika, Sarthak, Harsha.
Yes,
Ready?
uncle. I'm Harshika. I'm muted.
Yes, uncle.
Yes, uncle.
Okay.
Right. Question for you. If it takes 8 men 10 hours to build a wall, how long it will take 4 men to build the same wall? It's not a direct question. You need to think logically. You have an answer in your question only.
Uncle, 5.
No.
Chirag 5.
Any guesses?
Uncle, 0.
It's 0 because it's already built.
Yes, uncle.
Yeah, that's the correct answer.
0,
So
uncle.
because the wall is
Uncle,
already
zero.
built. That's a nice one. Yeah. Next question for them, Yogi.
I am what?
What occurs once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years?
It is M.
Who told that?
The letter M.
Times, uncle.
Sorry?
The answer is the
Uncle,
letter
M.
M.
Yeah, correct. The answer
M.
is letter M. Right. So they'll get 2 points, Jayant.
Yeah.
Group B.
Yes.
Yeah, Group 1.
Yeah, Group 1. And next is for Group 1.
Uncle.
Uncle, I have some problem.
Now we'll go to Group 1.
Yeah.
Group 1, Chetan,
Uncle, I have
Rudrakshi.
some problem.
Where? In connection.
Hello. Hello.
Who is having some problem?
I don't have any problem.
Okay.
Okay, next question.
Next question.
Uncle, background sound is coming. Hello? Hello?
Yes, Sujal, wait.
Yeah. If you have, yeah. Go ahead, Yogi.
If you have a bowl
bowl
with 6 apples and you take away 4, how many?
Apples. About
2 apples.
Okay, done. So that's not the answer. Just wait for another 5 seconds.
apples and you take out 4.
2
Okay.
apples.
Okay, that's not the answer. We'll close it. The answer is 4 because in the question it says no. In the question it says if you have a bowl of 6 apples and you take away 4, right? So when you take away 4, you'll have only 4, right? That's the answer. Okay. Okay. Next question for the team. Which room has no walls?
Egg.
Sorry. Someone said something.
No, nothing, uncle.
Okay, Chetan, try Chetan. Which room has no walls? Any guesses? Just give a guess.
Roommate.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Yogesh, you can show the answer. The answer is mushroom.
Mommy.
Okay, the last question for a last question. It's not for any team. You can just put it for everyone if anybody can tell Yogi.
अभी बताते हैं क्वेश्चन.
अरे मेरा नहीं
कुछ
था. Okay.
चाहिए ऐसा कौन सा रूम है जिसमें वॉल नहीं है तो
What goes up but never comes down. Uncle,
Answer.
What goes?
Right.
Age.
Right.
Age.
Uncle, age.
Right.
Okay. Age.
Correct.
No points for anyone. Okay.
No points.
No points anyway.
Yeah. Next round, Yogi.
Age.
सबको म्यूट करना है.
Okay.
Submute.
So
Only
in
two.
this round, group 1 got 0, group 2 got 1, group 3 0, group 4 2 points.
Yeah.
Jayant, this is next round is guess my smile. We will
Yeah.
show you a smile of a personality and you need to identify. Okay. Jayant, just take over for 5 minutes. I'll be back, Jayant.
Okay.
I'm here only. Yeah. I'll be just 5 minutes.
Okay, so we'll do the same. Let's
You can
unmute
start.
group 3.
Yeah. We can start with group C. Group C. Yeah, group
Group
B.
C.
Yes, uncle.
And the rule is same. Huh? We'll give 5 seconds. I'm sure that everybody can answer after seeing that. So we'll show you some smile. You have to tell the personality name.
Okay, uncle.
Okay, uncle.
Repeat the again.
Some problem connecting, so now I have joined.
Who? Sarah?
Yes, uncle.
Uncle, when
Is
you
it better now, Sarah? For you.
Uncle, when you asked that riddles questions for group C, I had some problem with my system, uncle.
Okay. No problem. Your team has given correct answer, so it's fine.
Okay, uncle.
Yeah, Yogi? So group C will how many?
भैया unmuting. Group C ready. Unmute करना है. Or you are ready.
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Group C. Round 4.
Round 4.
Yeah. Then you take it.
Yes, my smile.
Yeah. Okay.
30 seconds.
Smile.
Small smile.
Identify the person. Identify the person.
Identify the person.
Person.
Okay. I think 5 seconds. Just check 5 seconds. Close. Yogi, you can show the answer.
Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise. Okay, the next one.
Okay. Group. What?
Group C only. Group C only.
2 pictures, sir. Okay.
Okay. Shakuntala Devi.
No.
No.
Okay.
Last 10 seconds.
Uncle.
Try some names. That's it.
Uncle Lata.
Done. Jen?
Yeah.
30 seconds.
Show the answer.
Sudha
Please be
Narayan Murthy.
uncle.
Sudha Narayan Murthy, Infosys chairman's wife.
Group 4.
Okay, group 4.
Group 4.
It is only for group 4.
Saugandiga and Chirag. Saugandiga, Chirag.
Yes, uncle.
Okay.
Uncle, Tiger Shop.
Who?
Tiger Shop.
No, Tiger Shroff is wrong.
That is good.
Okay.
Moving.
Yeah.
I'm joining through one mother's.
Anvita's name. Okay, noted. Avinash will win Anvita.
Okay. Next question for same team, group 4.
Chirag, Sagadika, Isi, Rohan.
Hero's smile.
Uncle Aaron Finch.
Who?
Aaron Finch.
No.
Try something. Timer is going on.
All of it. Take it. Okay.
Okay, move.
Yeah. Click. Who? Chirag?
Messi.
Ah, Messi.
Hmm.
Okay. For group 2.
Group 2 or group 1?
Group 1, sorry. Group 1.
Group 1.
Group 1, yes. Sejal.
Sejal, yeah. Chetan. Group 1.
Virat Kohli.
No.
The answer is Shikhar Dhawan.
Yeah. Something? Other told.
The answer is Shikhar Dhawan.
Shekhar Dhawan, okay.
No.
Shekhar Dhawan.
Answer.
We'll move then.
Yeah.
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Who?
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yeah. Okay. The next one.
MS Dhoni.
Good one, Chetan. Nice.
Perfect. Okay. Now for group 2.
Games are so easy.
Hmm. Everything looks easy.
Smiling lag raha है
Group 2. Sorry,
Yes, uncle.
last. Yeah.
Yes, uncle. Yes, uncle.
Ready for
Ready?
Yes, uncle. Ranveer Singh.
Wrong.
No.
Rajnikant. Kejriwal.
Sorry. Final answer.
one answer.
Rajnikant. Uncle.
Okay. That's correct. Rajnikant.
Yes. Rajnikant.
Now.
No idea, uncle.
Hey, see, such a beautiful smile here. Come on.
Tell something.
The auntie smiles. Just guess my smile.
Tell some names. 30 seconds is getting over.
No idea, uncle. No idea.
Okay. Okay. Open the. It's Deepika Padukone.
I don't know who is she only, uncle.
Hey.
Okay, let's leave it. What next?
Told, huh? Ask
Okay.
Okay. After this round, group 1, they are able to identify one, and group 2 identified one. Dhoni and Rajnikant. So they are the most famous personality now. Other teams, they didn't identify anything, so it will be 0-0.
Okay.
What?
Group.
What?
Round 5.
So group 1 is leading with 14 points. Then group 4 is leading with 13 points.
What's your problem?
Then group 2 is leading with 11 points. Then group 3 with 8 points. Venki?
Jayant bhai. Yeah.
Group A, the last, the round 5.
Yeah. I think Group A, right? They are leading
Yeah,
now, right?
so Group A is leading with 14 points with first position.
Right. Okay. Now we are going to round 5. So Group, you can unmute. You can mute everyone, Yogi. I'll just tell them. Yeah. Hello,
Hello.
Yogi, is there?
Venki, we are able to
Yeah.
hear you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. After completion of 4 rounds, Group A is in top position now. So what Group A will do is, they can choose either Group B, C, D, and they can actually throw them a topic. Okay. So they will select one topic and they'll give it to Group B, C, or D, whichever they feel like, and they can they can take a stand discussing among themselves. And if they are saying to any other team which they wanted to give, we'll ask questions to that team. And if all the questions have been answered from that team, Group A will be out of this quiz. So that is how it is. Because it's not so easy, but it is kind of challenging. They need to understand which topic they can keep and which topic they can give to competitors. Okay. So Chetan, you're clear, right?
Yes, uncle.
Yes, uncle. Clear, uncle.
So Yogesh, now you can just show them the topics. So Chetan and their team, they'll take
What
topic
you should
and
do?
they'll-
Can you repeat once again?
Uncle, I have a doubt.
Yeah, Chetan, tell me.
If they won't answer, then what will happen?
You will only win. Again, you will throw another topic to another team. That team will go out of
Like,
this quiz.
if all the 3 groups won't answer, then.
You are the winner.
So,
Uncle, how much time will you
okay.
have?
Yeah,
You
that
are
is a
the
good
winner.
point. That is a good point. Let me see how much timer is available.
No, there is no timer in it. It's a kind of fast and furious round. You need to have answers immediately. We can't just wait for more than 5 seconds. So you need to give the answers immediately. Okay.
Okay,
So we
uncle.
can't wait.
Throw the question to another group, and if they don't answer, then we will win.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, now Chetan has all control in his Chetan and their team has all control in their hands. Now they have to pick a topic and they will throw it to their whichever team they feel like okay they can eliminate first in this round. Okay. So now Chetan and team can decide. Okay, Yogesh uncle will be sharing the screen on the topics. So you can decide which topic you can give it to first any team which you like. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
Right.
Okay.
Just unmute them, Yogi. Only group 1.
Group 1, I think Chetan is already there. Tanish, not there.
Then you can discuss with your team and tell. Huh?
Okay,
Yeah,
uncle.
yeah. You have to finalize with your team and
Hello?
hello.
Hey, hello, hi. It's from past 3 hours we are doing.
Okay, guys, I'm going to share my screen. Group 1, get ready. You are able to see my screen? Somebody.
Yes, uncle.
Yes, uncle.
Okay.
Yes, uncle.
Venki, what to do? Okay.
Yeah.
So the
You
topics.
can topics. You can click on the topics.
Okay.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right?
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
Chetan and team. These are your topics. Okay.
Okay.
You can choose it to any team, any topic. It's up to you. You
Okay,
and
uncle.
your team. Yeah.
Okay, uncle. Uncle, what is 3 question, uncle? Uncle, what is mean of 3 question?
No, it is kind of a known question which will have the question framing in another work. another side, but the answers will be the same. You don't have change in answers, only question framing will be different. So you need to
Okay.
think on that and you need to answer it.
Mm,
Yeah, Chetan.
yes, uncle, selecting
Soon.
historical, unscribed, musical instrument.
Musical instrument है
Musical instrument for B group, I think.
B group,
Is it okay? Is it okay?
just see, it's up to you. You have to decide
I'm
with your
asking
team.
for my group. Cesar, is it okay? Musical instrument in C group, Meda is there, she'll identify, and in D group, Saugandika is there, no?
yeah
I think B group.
um
Historical places, trivia.
wait 1 minute I will say
Let musical
That
instrument
is
be for B
not
group.
about
historical
Historical
instrument
musical
okay.
instrument for B
Chetan,
group.
Chetan,
Yes, uncle.
historical places is about historical places. You have question.
Ah,
Okay,
okay, uncle.
about
Okay, uncle.
historical places. Okay.
Okay.
which one you taking
Don't need historical places. Let it be. We'll take
Okay.
you
first,
Group.
third, and fourth. First, third, and fourth we'll take.
okay
Uh,
Okay, Chirag, soon, yeah. You have another 5 seconds.
okay.
Chetan,
So,
Chetan.
Group.
musical instrument for group B.
Okay. Okay.
Unscramble the word.
No,
Serial
no, no.
for
You can discuss this later. Okay. First, you need to find one team, one topic. First is that is required.
Okay, musical instrument for group B.
Okay. Fine.
okay
Yogi, lock it.
Group 2, right?
Yeah.
yeah
Yes.
two
Yeah.
music
What to do? Okay, mute on.
Yeah. Just click on musical instrument. Yeah. First, unmute everyone. Sorry, unmute only group 2.
Hey, we are able to see your screen.
Yeah.
Yogi,
I
just
stop
click
sharing.
on that musical instrument. That
Yeah, stop sharing.
click. Yeah. You can just click on it. I gave an hyperlink.
Okay. No, when it's in running mode, it will not go. I need to go
Okay.
to normal. Okay.
Just check.
Yeah, I'm just checking it. I'll go to the first that slide from the current slide. Unscrambled words. Okay. Now it is group 2. Group root get
Group
ready.
2.
System happy over.
Excuse me, uncle.
Yeah.
Is there any time limit? Time limit?
No, just only 5 seconds.
Hello?
Not
Okay.
more than that.
Hello?
You will
Okay,
see.
uncle.
Group 2.
Hello,
Group
can
2.
anybody hear me? Group 2 is here.
Group 2. Group 2.
Yes,
Ready?
uncle.
Okay.
Yes, uncle.
Okay.
Yes, uncle.
Just 5 seconds, Yogi. That's it. You can just keep on moving.
Unscrambled word. Okay.
Hey, not that one. Not this one, Yogi. Not this one. Not this one. Music instruments.
Closed everything. Closed instrument. Yeah. Okay, one second. I don't know how many people are watching. They're musical instruments, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
uncle. Musical instruments.
Hmm.
ఇప్పుడు అన్మ్యూట్
Everything on the screen.
Yeah.
Group 2. Ready?
Yes, uncle. Ready?
Okay.
Yes, uncle. Yes, uncle.
What's the name of this instrument?
Saxophone. Saxophone. Trumpet.
One.
Saxophone.
You have to only one answer. One answer.
Trumpet. Saxophone.
Hey, one answer.
Saxophone. It's trumpet, uncle.
It's trumpet.
Saxophone. Uncle, trumpet.
Trumpet.
Yeah, Venki.
Saxophone.
Hey, Venki, can I proceed?
No, what is the answer? We got multiple answers actually.
Trumpet. Uncle, trumpet.
Who is there in that group B? Avinash, Manasoni. Final
Hey,
one,
just one answer. One.
or else disqualified.
Uncle, trumpet.
Uncle Trumpet.
Uncle,
Okay, we'll
trumpet.
go with
Saxophone.
who is
Who is
saying.
that? Who is that?
Saxophone.
Vasudha.
Trumpet.
Now you decide. What happened?
Uncle, it is trumpet, uncle.
It's trumpet.
So my sharing is stopped. Is it my sharing stopped first?
Yeah,
Yes,
it stopped.
Huh?
Yeah, it stopped.
Trumpet.
It's trumpet.
Manasoni and Avinash. Avinash and Manasoni. One answer,
Hey,
only one.
Uncle, trumpet.
Okay, we'll go by that.
Time's up, uncle.
We'll go by that. It's already time's up. Yeah.
Due to your multiple answer, we are considering a void first.
Trumpet.
Okay. No,
Uncle, I did not tell trumpet. I told saxophone.
but it is your team. It is your
Majority
team.
was trumpet.
It is your team. No point canted. We'll move on.
Team said trumpet.
Okay, fast. 5 seconds, guys. Huh? No?
Try something now. Time's up. Tell some name or time's up.
Go ahead, time's up.
Symbols.
Over. No mark.
Symbols anta. Now it is trumpet.
Time is running.
Trumpet, uncle. This is trumpet.
Okay, proceed.
Uncle.
Done. Next.
Drum.
Everybody.
Drum.
Avinash, you are in mute. I think I can hear here, not there.
Drum.
One answer. Last. Venki.
Uncle. Tabla, uncle.
Drum.
All are of it. Tawil.
Tabla.
So, Venki, is there over or another slide is there? Venki?
Another slide.
Okay.
8 questions.
Okay.
ఏంటి అంతా తప్పు
Guys, Avinash, you are in mute. You can. Avinash, you are in mute, I think.
Tambourine.
Drum.
Uncle Drum.
Uncle drum.
Uncle Drum.
Drum.
Uncle Drum.
Uncle drum.
Time's up. We'll go by drum.
Drum.
Okay, over. Next picture. See the next picture. Abhi tak zero. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next picture.
Sing.
Next picture.
Trumpet.
Trumpet is coming for a long time.
Chennai.
Yeah, one correct answer.
Chennai.
Last one.
Last one.
What?
ఇదేంటిది పాడు
5, 4, 3. Avinash, you are in mute.
ఘట్టం ఘట్టం ఘట్టం
Okay. Finally, 1 point. Jayant and Venki.
2 points.
2 points.
2
huh?
points.
Okay.
Chennai and
Chennai and Ghatan.
Okay. 2 points. I am reading with stop Shari. Okay.
No,
You-
directly there is a link, Yogi. You can click there and go.
No, in slides, so it won't come. I think it will
Yeah,
go
it
to
will
next
come.
slide.
You under down. I have written as back to topics. It will go there.
డిస్క్వాలిఫైడ్ అయ్యండి
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. Now next.
Chetan, again, they have to select one topic and give to another team.
Okay, Anchor.
First. Okay.
Historical places for Group D means 4.
Group 4. Group 4.
Okay.
Group 4. Saugandhiga Chirag. Group 4. Musical instruments. Group 4.
Yogi, these are
Historical
questions, right?
Huh.
Don't give more than 5 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
So they have to answer it in 5 seconds. That's it. And they have to give given right.
Yukta Reddy. Nana Helpa. Who is that? I think everybody should on the video now.
ఓకే ఆన్
Okay, group 4. This is not a right question, right? Riva question is not right one.
No. It is. I think this is the right one, Yogi. The heading is not correct.
Okay.
Historical places.
You clicked on that historical only, right?
Venki.
Yeah. Historical places. You have to click.
Okay. No, I
The
clicked
heading-
it is coming here. Is it right one?
the heading- Only
No.
header problem.
చేతన్ కీప్ హిస్టారికల్ ప్లేసెస్
Only
Go ahead.
header problem. The questions are historical questions.
Okay, group 4.
No. Yogi, go to
Don't
historical
put
places
this
only.
trivia questions for
Yeah.
group C.
Go to historical places only. Directly slide.
Now we
Yeah.
can't see it.
I stopped it again.
Ah.
Yeah.
Are we like, now it is historical places, right?
Yeah. Historical
Historical
places. Now I
places.
can't see anything.
Then I stopped it.
Even I can't see. Uncle, for which group is this historical places?
Group 4.
Group 4.
Okay. इसके लिए
So
historical.
all other people go on mute. Only group 4 will be unmute.
1 second. Okay, 1 second. I'm coming back. 1 second. I need to call Venki uncle only.
Tell me, Yogi.
No, call put. I want. अरे 5 minutes है. अरे यार.
Venki, oh ये same है रे. Heading same है. Questions अलग है.
हाँ. क्वेश्चंस अलग है. लगता है. मैं बोलता हूँ. योगी.
Tell the first question now, Venki.
Abracadabra.
So first question will have Tom in it.
We have only 5 minutes left, guys, for this meeting session. I'm not sure we can able to close it. Okay, group 4. Group
Yes,
4.
uncle.
Historical
Yes,
questions.
uncle.
Historical
But you
questions.
have not shared your screen, Yogi.
Yeah, no, it's. Aha.
Uncle, we have to join the same link.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, uncle.
Uncle, again we need to join, uncle.
Hey, group 4.
No,
You are not
continue,
group 4.
continue.
Group 4. Ready?
Yes,
Ready.
ready. Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, you want to top in which place?
5 seconds, Yogi.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3. Some answers. I'm moving on.
Afghanistan.
Okay.
Wrong answer. Next.
Next.
Question is not being seen.
Huh?
Question is, I can see.
Question not being seen.
Fatehpur Sikri was built.
Question is not visible.
Chip.
Fatehpur Sikri was built by.
Just 5 minutes, 10 minutes over. Now others are not able to screen.
I am able to see.
Screen.
Good.
I am
Let's move
able
on.
to see. Next,
Let's
Yogi.
move on, move on, move on. That's it.
You are not getting any answers. Akbar.
Akbar.
Charminar.
Charminar was built by.
Uncle, I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. 5, 4,
Uncle,
3.
the answer is Qutub Shah.
Okay. Mohammad Kuli Qutub Shah. Fine.
Okay.
Next.
Right.
Can I also speak? Hello.
Victoria Memorial is in which place?
Kolkata.
Okay. Next. Next. Yeah, correct.
What?
Rani Ki Vav.
What?
Rani ki Vav?
Silver.
I don't know any of these things.
Move on. Next one. Yeah. Everybody.
Second largest wall in the world after China.
Russia.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Last one, I think.
Hello.
5, 4, 3. Somebody answering?
Hello.
Yeah, we answered.
Uncle Jaipur.
No, it's Jodhpur.
Oh my God.
Huh?
Jodhpur.
Jaipur, Jodhpur.
Last one. Last.
Meenakshi was built by.
Hey Rohan, come.
Uncle, I don't know anything.
Uncle, the answer is Chola Raja.
Huh?
Chola Raja.
No.
Chola
Definitely, I'm
Raja,
sure.
sir.
Definitely sure it is not that. Okay. Over, huh?
Done. Next.
Chetan.
Chetan, they pick up one topic.
I
For
think I
group
need to check
C.
the time. I think. Wait.
2 minutes.
Chetan, choose the team.
Vishal Khan.
Chetan.